bigambirwa mu kitambo kya misa ey'okutungisa conference y'abeegi na 28 na n'okushabira abasiniya yakana hamwe na n'iya mukaaga abari kweteekateekera okukora ebibuuzo by'akamalirizo aha Rubangizi Secondary School. Misa yebembirwe omuhwezi wa Archbishop habw'ekyanga kya Bushenyi.
Abagambira ngo narabasentuka gwa kunahikayo nashanga umwana ari mu office headmaster atekera amaju nambuza shinta abandi kana bagendera bikeriwe kana bagendera amaju yagira ngo ayine byashobutse abandi bari mu klasi wariyo nagenda amaju mu office yoha ya headmaster mwisho gwaraye garyara arabihesa ryari ntabwo cyo ntutekwa futamwa amani ebye birukwenda kutuzya ezi umwata nebishake ebyo nebituzya ntutekwa kutaha amani kugira ngo amuheru we come rejoicing bringing in the sheaves.
Mukuru w'ishomereri John Barije atugambira ko abeegi batebeekanisibwe okukora ebibuuzo ebi.
Umugenyi wito mukuru nsima ruhanga abo kuba mu ishomero yitu atwiro mugisha go kuzara abasaseredoti abanyenda kushoma abanyenda kubashoma twineho umwe hanuya kungana abasaseredoti mwenda barabara mu ishomereri go kubanza Reverend Father Blaise Ndyabangira atogo ni headmaster wa S.4 Academia umurushere.
When I started at Yaashaba Secondary School when I was 21 years of age in senior 1. Because I had repeated P7, I had repeated P7 7 times because I was in P7 1977 until when the people thought of beginning these schools in Yaashaba, Bwanjisi, Chigarama, they started these schools and people were against them.
Omukoro ogwo gushikirweho RDC wa Mitooma kandi ashabira abeegi okwehara okushendashendwa okuzoma obushwere bakiri bato.
God was very intelligent as it must be. It is an obvious matter that he created the man first, then later what? A woman. He had reasons to leave the man first plan and budget and implement. Then the woman comes later to improve on what was planned by a man. Mwachenga, so don't rush to marry, don't rush to be married or marry a woman.
Kandi n'abaana igana 28 batunga isakaramentu lya konfirmasiyo kandi izoba niryo rumwe twahaserenso y'omusire Bikira Maria kandi twayakira Bikira Maria umuyisomereri.
Umugandi emyeto muri Kamwenge nehigwa okwetantara kutontuza na nokurabya mwamisho abazire babo. Ebi nebindi begambirwa hishomero rya Kamwenge Secondary and Vocational School aha mukoro gwo kushabira abeegi abari kuza kutandika kubuzubwa
nimwe muri Ahindugire City ya Africa okujiha mukurire eryo okugiye byatarahendekire mukateeka ko muriba mu biro by'omumisho.
Ndenda kubagambira ngo omuzeire n'ekintu kikuru munono ahabwo kuba yobira atarakukunda takukukurize akakureta hano mu ishomero ngena abana mukire mico mirungi.
Okushabira abeegi aba kushikirweho na Bishop wa East Rwenzori kandi ashabira eminyeto okukorana amano kwebisaho.
We have to work hard. You have to read hard and also be confident. If you want to be successful, one of the things you must have is discipline. Discipline number one. Discipline in everything.
Because we have had enough facilitation and because there is a revision, so we are waiting for what will come.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ben Muhozi na Anthony Twine.